Moving on now to India Justice Report that has been filed, and there's big embarrassment when it comes to the state of West Bengal, which seems to be the last in delivering justice. The national report points to failures and structural failures that have led to delaying of justice. Is justice delayed, justice denied is the big question. Now, Bengal has ranked last in the India Justice Report among 18 large states analyzed according to their capacity to deliver justice. The report ranks states by assessing the performance of the police, the prison, the legal aid, the judiciary and the state human rights commissions, amongst others. And this also comes on the heel of the RG Kaur rape and murder case. Shreya joining us to get us details. Shreya, of course, extreme embarrassment when it comes to the state of West Bengal, where time and again the opposition has been raking up the issue of law and order in the state, amongst also safety for women. But here we have that the delivery of justice also seems to be delayed.
Absolutely, it is quite an embarrassment to see that West Bengal has ranked last with a score of just 3.63. It has slipped to the bottom when it comes to justice delivery. But Karnataka has scored 6.78 out of 10. We can see that the southern states, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala and Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, they have been the top performers when it comes to delivery of justice. Interestingly, we have seen Bihar has improved on its policing indicators, but it continues to have the worst police to population ratio, just 81 per lakh people. But other than that, the report also reveals how the prison crisis has deepened. The population has surged by nearly 50% in India's prisons in a decade, with under trials now making up 76% of all inmates. And you were talking about how justice delayed is justice denied, but the editor-in-chief of India Justice Report, she was telling me how, Maya Daruwala ma'am, she was telling me how justice at this point has been exhausted. It is not denied, it is exhausted for vulnerable the population. We can see when it comes to the diversity, we have been lagging behind. Only 1 in 6 High Court judges between 2018 and 2023 hailed from scheduled castes, tribes or OBCs. And if we talk about women, they are barely visible at the top. Just 1 woman Chief Justice across 25 High Courts. But the silver lining is that we have 38% share of women judges in district judiciary. And of course, if we talk about the prison walls, inside the prison walls, the crisis is also acute. There are 176 prisons with 200% and above occupancy, and there are only 25 psychologists for the entire country's prisons, and a meager 1.3% of police budgets are actually allocated for training. So, of course, it goes on to show how the system is stretched thin.
Shreya, we'll come back to you. Let's listen in to what TMC really has to say about this. We have Nilanjan Das, member of the TMC, joining us. After allegations that are being made by the opposition in regard to the law and order situation, the safety and security of women, now we also have a report that's suggesting that the delivery of justice is delayed in the state and it's literally lost on that list. Your reaction?
I would not like to directly comment on the merits of this report or this agency and why the judiciary is failing to deliver justice or perform its duty is something only they can comment on. But it's true that we have seen a downsliding of the judicial credibility. Now, in West Bengal, in the High Court of Calcutta, we have seen a sitting judge joining the BJP. So we have seen such things. The judiciary doesn't come under the executive. It's an independent organ of government. And we have seen that whenever cases are given to the central agencies, they just delay it. They cannot deliver justice. They cannot even file the charge sheet. We have seen it repeatedly. But the West Bengal courts, in the district courts, we have seen that they are giving death sentences. We have had 6 cases of rape. And in all the 6 cases, the POSCO law was implemented, and within 3 months, they have been given death sentences. So unlike other states where there is no law and order, we have a very good law and order system in West Bengal. Things are dealt with very sternly. And under Mamata Banerjee, we have seen a number of fast-track courts, women police station, cyber police station, as also we have a circuit bench of the High Court in
concerns as far as the RG Kaur case is concerned. The parents still stay fighting it out, asking for more investigation to take place. So many questions being raised as far as not just the delivery of justice, but also the law and order situation and the fast tracking of cases such as rape and murder.